We're in Indiana. I actually almost wasn't gonna make a video about going to this iron pour because I felt like it might be a little bit redundant considering I went to Sculpture Trails last year. Here's the reason why this trip is different. So my friend Jay Elias, who's based out of Detroit, and he was on the podcast Iron just recently. So if you want to know more about him before or after watching the rest of this video, you should check out his episode of the podcast because it is mind-blowing. I learned so much from him, and he's now easily one of my favorite people to pour iron with. So he's bringing his furnace down all the way from Detroit. From what I understand, he had a crew of people that were gonna be coming with him, but they all kind of bailed on him, had other things that came up, wasn't able to go. And so he drove his furnace down solo and asked me if I would help him run it. And there's a few other people that are going to be on the roster for running it. And so I obviously was very honored and excited to do that. So we're going to go run Jay's furnace from Evolution Studio. So I'm not going to film very much of this drive because it's kind of boring. We're just going to get right there, right? So this is Jay. You guys already know him. And so his furnace is already set up. It's like 86 degrees. Yeah, here's a trail.
86, that's it.
Or at least that's what it was the last time I drove by a bank in one of those small towns.
86.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, it's nice. Everybody here? Don't get hurt. Love you guys.
Okay.
JT. Go JT.
Alright, so I'm going to shut the gas. I'm going to shut the blower. Once I shut the blower, start putting these tweers on.
Okay.
There's 3 of them. And then Matt will start getting this.
Okay. I'm on the tweezers.
Tell Jay, ready when they are.
We're ready when you guys are.
Let's do it. Okay, go. Thank you.
Ready? Here.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah. We're good. Let's go. Let them crew up. Let them crew up.
Okay.
Yes, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, no, that's enough for the roll.
Okay.
I think we'll have leftovers.
Okay.
I'll do it right here.
All right.
Walk around Dave. You guys come.
I like it. It's taking it. It's taking it. It's taking it.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Woo!
Yeah, you got quite a, like.
I don't know. We gotta tap it.
Yeah, we got
Let's go. Tap it out.
All right, Ladle!
Greg, let's go. Let's go.
now, man.
You got your gloves on?
Let's go. Tap it out.
I'm here. I'm here.
That's why you gotta reset the line.
All right. Good. You're good. Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Push it in there, man. Really squish.
Like it. Is that enough for Dave?
Nice.
Oh, get it.
Good job.
Can I like bring this out real quick?
Yeah. I mean, nope.
Yep, that didn't work so. There we go.
There's still a thing.
Everybody feeling good? Yep, fantastic.
Okay. Sorry, I was.
Yeah, Laura. Get it, girl.
All right, that's it. We're not botting it. think that I'm in Illinois. Yeah, I'm in Illinois right now. But let's talk about what happened at Sculpture Trails. So I was there for Saturday, and today's Sunday. It was so much fun. It was just so much fun. I don't really have much to decompress about or like talk about or reflect on. I went to Sculpture Trails for the Fire at Night event, and it was great. And some of my really, really best friends were there, and I got to see them. And I also got to see a whole bunch of molten iron get poured into molds, and there was some really cool performance pieces. Just so cool. Now I'm just driving home. It was a great weekend. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Check out Sculpture Trails if you're ever in the Indiana area. If you're by Bloomington, Indiana, it's right there in a little town outside of Bloomington, Indiana, called Solsberry, Indiana. Google it. It's a great time. Jay's furnace it's like a hot rod. It's just so fast, and it breaks down really easy, and he brought it all in a van, like an empty, like a cargo van, a 12-person van with all the seats removed. Everything. He had everything. He had 2 ladles that he brought, and he brought a generator, and he brought, his blower ended up being used for somebody else's furnace because I don't know what happened with their blower, because it was kind of before I arrived on scene, but so I think he saved the day 3 separate occasions for different things, and I don't even know what they all were, but he'll know. He remembers. Jay, you remember. You remember what you did. All right. That's it. I'm just gonna, sign off, but I have to remember to say thank you for being interested in this journey, even though I already made a video about this same sculpture iron pouring event. Thanks for being interested in this video and how it's slightly different from last year's video, and it's just too awesome to not film it, is how I feel. Thank you for tuning in and sticking it out, and I appreciate that you watched. Like, here's the thing. For years of my life, I was just doing this. Just going to iron pours, experiencing these experiences, going on these travels, and now I have this hankering to make videos about it so that I remember I can share it with my friends, but then also the fact that I can put it on the internet and you watched it all the way to the end. I don't even know how long this video is. It could be like the last one that I made was like 45 minutes long, and so if you're interested in watching it all the way to the end and then hearing my thoughts about how it all went down, thank you, because otherwise I'd still be making these videos, but it would just be so much more sad because I wouldn't have people that want to watch. So the fact that people want to watch is just blows me away every single day, and I really appreciate it. So thank you. And thank you to the people that support me on Patreon. You guys are watching this for free, but there's even more content that the Patreon subscribers get. So yeah, just thanks to Patreon. Thanks to everybody on Patreon, and thanks for everybody that's just enjoys watching my movies. Thanks to everybody who just enjoys watching my videos for free, because the view time really does, mean something. It's like you're casting a little vote with your eyeballs. So that's all for now. I love you. Thank you, as always, for supporting me and being interested in what I'm doing in my life. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Mwah!
Am I walking the right way?
Yeah, it's excuse me, over. It's like that. You can catch up with the path over here.
Yeah, baby! Woo!
Alright, you are up, my friend.
Okay. chapstick to do this. You're good. Yeah.
Good, man? Cool.
All right.